Diski Times, now available in stores around the country for only R3.50.
It is KTV powered by World Sports Betting. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Kaizer Chiefs 2 in the DStv Premiership. For the first time this season, Mamelodi Sundowns lose a football match. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Kaizer Chiefs 2, DStv Premiership. If you had watched the first half, you wouldn't believe what happened in the second half. It was the craziest 2 minutes, maybe the most iconic 2 minutes this season, where Kaizer Chiefs, just like that, twisted the game into their favor and they won 3 points. Mamelodi Sundowns will not finish the season unbeaten. It's a record. If it had happened, it would have lasted for 100 years. It will not happen. Well done, Kaizer Chiefs. Junior Kanye, your thoughts about the game? I don't think that anyone would have imagined what we saw today, but well done to Kaizer Chiefs.
Kuleko mabrada kunjani?
Yizwa mfowethu.
Yeah, ngibulise wena. Ngibulise Justice.
Easy.
Abachita la ngaphakathi. Bafethu kunjani, keep on supporting Diski TV, fighting no one, trying to fix South African football. Yeah, first of all, namazangibone is, I'll be honest, I'll admit, especially I think it's a second time whereby we don't see things Kaizer Chiefs. WC Cholile says is going to be this. It's a second game whereby we never saw it. We didn't dig deep,
especially after a first half. Though.
Yeah, if Aruguti is Sundowns, ukungabi kwakashalulile kubalimazile ukungabi khona. But I think Mtupa did very well. I don't understand why the coach started on Sundowns. They play 3 back as usual. I don't understand why they did play Upraino Nyangu. I don't understand why. You've busy. You've there's Nascimento. I don't know what to say. Nascimento. Because pegale run ukuthi bamshanga kanjani Brian Onyango le goal lomfana uZuma bamshanga enye run usuka lapha kwakhe ubujayenta busipani nkuleko it's a matter of you applying yourself mentally ama Brian Onyango, those are not players that they should be signed by Sundowns abomvala njengamanje. That's how Sundowns is one of the best. I still say that. I don't care who says what. If ukuthi badlala nga-3 back Brian Onyango, they're struggling. If they've got the movement, I think if they've got this, even a first half Chiefs, they got chances. They didn't play well, but they created 3 chances that they're supposed to punish them. They were creating into the Gutabonyango, Bamaka zonal. Always mark zonal. Kabang umuntu pusuka pamwake because it's bolo washikupegi pola umuntu generally ranga Zuma. I mean, Pola malpetu Chiefs. Oganye no my Sundowns. Go to him. Uguti in order in case manga babambi pola kubena something. Rivalo could say about I'm sure with Sundowns. I'm sure they've seen him very lazy. The call number 2 team. Asido Kala, not number 2, call number Kala. Udlali Paul Square, very lazy pass. You can't do that. You must be Udlala kanjani Paul Square. Eli futel ngahambi ngepower. You don't pinpoint. Udlala kanjani ungekho sure whereby udlala square uchekile. Why do you do that? Usa center uchekele ngapha ka right kancane and then udlala ibhola square. They're going to pass issue. Bheke i-defense yakhe ime kanjani. So
I think Sergio Busquets.
No, I think they're going to prove. It must be yeah. So in the middle, Uchali ngokuphuma kwakhe kubabulele. Even Kaizer Chiefs when he scored it was outside.
Yeah, unfortunately.
Bekalimele basamnesa balimeze kakhulu andile Charlie because in the middle he was man of the match for me. It tells you ukuthi Uchali ubantala ngadla, look at him. Another thing, Mabuye not exactly today. Him and Rivaldo Kutse babonakala Uchali makaphuma ukuthi no. They were not there. Also, Mshishi not much. Game. Serino Mkipelana. Ntona promise nghlale ngisho seKaslami. Not much of promise. I know he's from development. He was a captain of MTC, but not much from promise. So promise akakabonisi ukuthi what is got. He's having. I mean, bamfaka manje ukhipha Serino. Wow, keep Serino. There's Kapinga on the bench. Put him. He came and scored last time. Mama coach aninkinga. Lama coach ayitri njoba ngisho ngahlonipha uRulani nomancoba mngithi now Steve. But I don't understand why. Ama decision amanye bawenzayo. They are the one abas down.
I do think ukuthi at the time when Uchali was coming out, they could have maneuvered
simple
so that they don't.
There
was no need for Umvala.
I mean, no so many bashama cross.
Yep, there was no.
So it was besuti Kaizer Chiefs. So mina nkuleko, I don't care angenzela bantu manje. Kaizer Chiefs, I give credit to players that they come. Ngoba uZuma coach ayipiliveli kuye. Yiyo ngithi ngimni credit. I won't give Kevin Hunter. I'm sorry because the individual brilliant. The boy came in, apply himself. Omunye umuntu angadlali ngabe manje demoralized. He never play kule game. Ungenile kule game le, he didn't play. He came there, he make it different. Namhla udlala a big game against Sundowns, he came and scored. That's why ngithi ngimni credit to players. Another player Bakasi came and make it different. Ukorile umqala ngaphandle last time. So I can't give the coaching it team. No. I won't do that. I will give to players because I know with going forward they're still gonna struggle. Kevin, because players they apply themselves, and these players is gonna kill the confidence. He won't play them. It's gonna make them impact player. Unjalo. He doesn't believe in ball players. Ngoba udlale ngoKhadoso in the middle khona uBakasi. So I won't believe ngoba iSundowns joba ngisho Kemit, I don't understand why ngamcalanga. Mthupa akekho ushalile faka uKemit. Play Kemit and then
you don't sympathize with the fact that Kemit has not played, has been injured maybe for 3 months.
Uzuma 3
months.
Yeah, now Ukama. But Kama was giving them a problem. Equality.
You remember how Ukama came back to the Chiefs after 2 months of injury? Wadala second half, and then full 90 minutes.
But to Kemit equality in Kudego and
but on an injury problem.
I understand, but I was starting Mina for me.
So you would risk that. You would risk him. That's understandable. But it's like a glass. It always gets broken. you didn't get him for 3 months. He's coming back. Logically, most of the time, my coaches they give you 10 minutes, 30 minutes, and then 90 minutes.
He's killed him. Bega una 10 minutes. Look at shot at goal. No, ulo mfana zanga bene shot at goal. We played about 75 minutes. Not shot at goal.
So injury is not anywhere in your mind that if I play him,
he's injury free.
But injury free, but injury prone. Injury.
I will fight with many coaches otherwise because the quality is not injured. He's back from injury. It's understandable. Back from injury is back. I'll play him. I'll play, start him. He's on the play him, start him. Simple. And then mangabe kunenkinga substitute him. Ungamenza lo mfana lo impact player.
Did you see what happened to Kamapila today? You realize Uguti, he was out for 2 months. Slight touch, he's out again.
But Kulego, he brought impact. He created a goal for Castro.
But I think the debate is not about that. The debate is about risking someone a big injury a long term. Uguti, it's been 2 months. You are injured. We are rushing you back in. You get injured again.
So the question is, you must start with the striker. What's his name?
Mutupa. I'm not arguing for anyone who agadlala.
That's a question.
Saying, I understand, but
okay, Sharp. Angita ko faku Kapinga. He's been doing it. No, even Minu Kemit. I'm sorry. Kapinga Sharp. I will play him. Ngadlala Kapinga. Angita ko ulo. Minu Mshishi ngam. Angeke mdlali different Mshishi. Come bring. Yabona my magen sap ngayo chadi. He's supposed to drop Mshishi la ayumva.
Very good point. Yeah.
Drop Mshishi in the middle, and then utate Ukemit Rasmus Sumise. Even I don't care who says what. Substitute. If we were not too sure.
Worried that is not going to be with you for 2 months again. After 2 months of injury.
You can get injured even now, you only come on. So I'm sorry, never lost all the games. Decision making I'm sure that corner you pay the problem. Umuntu wazibhola kahle engeke abheke this game. He will tell good first ukuthi angamqala uKemit kule game. Mshayile. Secondly, ukuthi afaka umvala asenze so.
Umvala a problem. That was a substitution.
Not only him. As ngisho no Brian Onyango. Ukuthi abe kunasimento ngabashayile. Psychological these coaches. I don't care who says what. Mawazibhola kahle. You won't look at this. Uthathe ngama emotions. If you know football, bashayile. Play nasimento there. Simple. Right mhlambe in the middle sharp. Uyiqale kanjalo. If but mina enye into engisho up front, I will start Kemit. If ngiyam substitute, substitute, I will come minus him. Mhlambe ngifake yena. If akangispaneli mina. Yabo. So ukuthi if akangispaneli umthupa because Sarino, I don't understand why he's off. He scored, he was doing Namanje was still coming. You take him out and then you bring in Umvala to make him an impact player. Business deal. Abumvala, there was a business deal. I don't care who says what.
All right, let's wrap it up, and also let's focus on Chiefs. How the hell did they win this game? Because there was no way. 45 minutes, and we are a community of football. We assume everyone watches football. Yeah. If you had seen 45 minutes of Chiefs, there was no way you would have believed they were going to come back. 2 minutes, they changed it around. How did they win this game?
I know watching this video, they will say we bias. I don't care. If they won. Credit to players. Sasha Zuma, Dala ngadlala umfana bamfaki. he make a huge difference, boy. Packers make it different. Coach doesn't believe in them. That's why I'm Kevin. I want. I know he won't. He's not going to be consistent. He's still going to lose. I know.
Yeah, obviously.
The way he's playing.
Obviously.
Because truly speaking, namhlanje Chiefs.
Sure.
They apply themselves. Azange badlale good football, my brother. But I give players couple now. Plum gule game ngimbonile. Angisi fan yakhe. He's not a classy player, but uzaplay. Go wonke ama department beka more involved. In terms of assisting, in terms of maybe sometimes tackling, you understand? Who's applied? Not playing good football, but who's applied? I give him that credit. I give you credit. Credit today gule game. I'll give you Umatho. Whereby he is slow, but because apply. Ngoba umthupa always receive the ball pegi palaki. So any into futhi umunye umuntu engizomnika icredit. I give ukhuni. You understand? Le bola leli ukhuni ebalishayile uKemit. Le bola beki goal bra. You understand that ball was a goal, and as ngisho, certain players I will give. Maya Gugu as ngisho Kaizer Chiefs, I will be honest and straightforward. For the game, you need I'm not. They didn't deserve. Originally, they can come back. Win. They didn't deserve. Out of the blues, my brother. You on it individual. I give credit. Individual players by winning. Those individuals, it's Kaizer Chiefs as a whole. But as a team, they didn't apply themselves. That's why in coming to other games, and Nagule came. Coming to other games, Nagule came. Even in first half, they never came about 7 touches breaking Sundowns. They were playing among moments. Karma individual, maybe you understand. You need the brain. Him alone. Whereby you see him something against example, you play for instance Castro he hold the ball, pass somebody, come out, jump. You never have that moment to play. Sundowns came and then by break.
Sure.
You didn't have those players. You had Karma, yes. Manyama didn't apply himself.
All right, let's wrap it up. Last one. Sundowns lost their invincible record. Amazulu, but yeah, there's so many games in hands of Sundowns. Anyways, but I'm obligated to ask you. Do you feel that Amazulu angakwazi usondela abahlokoloza?
I wanna na last year sobuyela phekule we drawing board last year. Alaba ngebayilahle my brother. Mele balungise nje on the bench. They must fix it. On the bench, technical team. Le game mina nginika bona. These three. I respect them but amanye ama decision wabangaka. Brian Onyango ubuyaphi? Akadlali ola lo na cement captain yakho wepha ize bangekho hlompo kuno Brian Onyango. We understand uyayibona ekuthesheli sharp. Bheka abaphuma lapha kuye kanjani. Basic football ubheka ibhola so they play you. A technical team mabangazisort out. I would mabangazisort out they must sort them out.
Sure.
Effect ngoba they've got players. Actually one of the best team compare is Sundowns Lamalo but good DStv Premiership, I don't care who says what. They're best
team in the country. Man.
I don't care who says what. No, but
it's not even a debate.
He didn't think it's good. Mabanga sort out these three. The selection yabo. I don't understand why you copying Akora. All of the sun is shattered. On the bench today. It didn't play. Mangabuzo is impacted play umvala. You don't business deal. I don't care. There's somebody behind there.
Sure.
Abumvala, they don't deserve to be there. Mudiba, to bring him there. Kule left midfield whereby unabantu abanjengabo as ngiyaxolisa on the bench ku Sundowns noma ngaba you not on the bench you can't umdiba where was he going yena ukapinga you could play him ngenze example
sure.
You could play him still whereby ngenze awumkhipha uSerino you leave ufaka ukapinga phezulu kwa Serino why taking out Serino is that the instruction there's nothing wrong ayenzile uSerino umkhiphela leave Umdiba you can't. I mean, Umdiba is a left back. Sometimes super sport as a left midfield. You can't do that. It's not that quality to left midfield go Sundowns. So left back. If
we need to wrap it
yeah, if Lake is injured,
sure.
And then he can come in full of Futageko. Ulake Oganye Ulangaman. I can't play him ahead of Ulangaman. So Mauzo means impact player Nomvala. They're not going to give anything. That's why with coaches.
We need to wrap it up.
Yeah, credit to Kaizer Chiefs.
For sure.
I know people will say we credit to them.
Yeah.
But
don't worry about people.
Yeah.
Don't worry about people. Anyways,
we need to give credit.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, that was a hectic 2 minutes. We were still talking when the second goal came in. I'm like, oh, what happened? I was still looking away. and Kaizer Chiefs scored the second goal. And Mamelodi Sundowns are no longer invincible. It's a topic that we'll take. So if I can comment, we're not going to talk about it anymore. Can they finish unbeaten? Well done, Kaizer Chiefs. You did history like Machaka was saying. It is Times.co.za, it is TV on Facebook as well. WSB.co.za. Thank you so much for watching our videos.